So you want to get into stock market investments or any kind of speculation, or you are already into stock market and you are losing money. You want to know why? Then this video is for you. In this video, I have explained anything and everything related to speculation from an astrology standpoint. So let's dive into the video. Let's go.
This is Gagan Bhatia. I was referred to Mr. Vinay by one of my colleagues. I spoke to Mr. Vinay over the phone. He gave me he understood my problems very patiently, and he gave me certain good remedies, which I can feel I am following them religiously, and I can see certain changes, positive changes after following his remedies. So I would highly recommend everyone to approach Mr. Vinay. He is really a very patient listener and gives the solutions very easy solutions, and which are very easy to follow, and you can find the results very soon. Thank you.
वल्लभं गजाननं एकदन्तं ओम नमो नारायणाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम ह्रीं नमः शिवाय शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशया. Hi everyone, welcome back to Astrology. This is Vinay. So before going to the objective of this video, let me give you a background as to why I am making this video. There are few of my clients who are into stock trading. Some of them do long-term trading and some of them do intraday, so on and so forth. And they have been not posting good profits, So they ask me, why is this happening? Is there a answer in astrology? That's one reason. And there are also few other people, who go to these evening clubs and, play cards. One person in North Karnataka, he often goes to Goa to play in casino, and he claims that he has lost big money. And at least there are a couple of them who have openly disclosed to me that they have been losing money in horse racing betting. So the question therefore is, can we find out whether one can speculate, whether it is stock trading or casino, different types of games, roulette, etc., cards, horse racing, any kind of speculation or gambling? The answer to that question is yes. That's how beautiful the systems which are laid out in our Vedic science, in our astrology. I practice mainly two types of astrology, which is Parashara system of astrology and the KP system or Krishnamurti Paddhati. While in Parashara system of astrology, also it is possible to find out. It's a little laborious process. Whereas in KP system, we can very quickly and easily find out whether you have the yoga of making money in stock market or any kind of speculation, including casino, cards or horse racing. However, stock market can be backed up with some kind of scientific analysis, so it's relatively safer, I would say, in my opinion, when compared to the game of chance which happens in casinos, card games, roulette, etc. They are purely based on chance, and there is a popular saying that in casinos and clubs, the house always wins. So I would sincerely urge all of you who are watching this video to stay away from game of chance like the one that I just mentioned. Also, horse racing, I believe, like stock market, has some underlying factors using which people can still do better compared to other games of chances like going to casino, playing cards, etc. But you all know the famous term horse trading, which means the horse races are also manipulated, and therefore the chances of winning or making it big becomes weak in this area also. Also, whenever we get into any kind of speculation, Rahu in our birth chart gets disturbed. Rahu in our Kundli gets disturbed. If he was giving you positive results before you indulged in speculation, the moment you start these activities, he will start giving negative results. Therefore, please try to avoid any kind of speculation. But having said that, if some of you have been into stock market for many years or any kind of speculation for many years and you still want to give it a try, you have to do it when you have the yoga. That means you have to do it when you have the planetary support. Only then you can get something out of it. So what do I mean by planetary support? Now let me explain you this, right? Now before moving to the actual topic, if you are new to my channel, please ensure that you hit that subscribe button. If you subscribe to the channel, you will always stay connected with me. You're not going to miss any video. I post a feature video, long video every Saturday at 9 p.m. and every Wednesday at 9 p.m. I post a YouTube shorts which is less than 1 minute. All the videos are intended to solve certain problems that we have in our lives. That's the objective of this channel. Also, if you like this video, if you comment on this video, if you share this video with others, if you subscribe to this channel, YouTube is going to take these videos to more and more people. It's going to show these videos to more and more people. Therefore, more and more people can watch them and they can also get benefited. So indirectly, you are helping others as well as this channel to grow. Thanks for understanding. Without wasting any time, let's start today's topic. So speculation, yes or no? So I have charts of two people here. So I have displayed the DBA or the Dasha Bhukti, Antar Bhukti of two people, one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. For you to do well in any kind of speculation, the Dasha should support. The Dasha has to be strong and the script in the Dasha has to be very good and it should be favoring speculation. So what I mean by that, you can see currently for this Jatakannar native, Sun Dasha has started on the 16th of November 2020 and it's going to end on 15th November 2026, which is almost 6 years, and the scripture of Sun Dasha is 10 to 11.5, which means Sun in this Dasha is reflecting 2nd house, 10th house, 11th house and 5th house. 5th house is the house of speculation and gambling. So the Dasha planet has to reflect 5, house number 5. That's very important. And along with that, it has to also reflect 2nd house and 11th house. So in this gentleman's case, he has all the right script, all the right planetary script, which is 2, 5 and 11. 2nd house is the house of money or house of bank balance. 5th house is the house of speculation. And 11th house is the house of gain, which means that this native can gain money from speculation. That's what it means. So he has this yoga for 6 years from 16 November 2020 to 15 November 2026. So if this native indulges in stock market trading or any kind of speculation with certain amount of caution and discipline, then definitely there is a high probability of him making profits, because Sun Dasha is supporting speculation by giving the script of 2, 5, 11, 2nd house, house of money, 5th house, house of speculation, and 11th house is the house of gain. I hope that is clear. Now let's look at the opposite. If I come to the right hand side chart, for this person, Saturn Dasha has started on 15th August 2019 and it will continue till 14th August 2038. That is nearly 19 years. Now let's look at the Saturn script for this person. 10, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12, 5, 7, 12 and 10. Do you see 2nd house here in the script? No. 2nd house is the house of money. So there is no indication of money or bank balance. Do you see the house of speculation? Yes, 5th house is there. Do you see the house of gain being reflected here? 11th house? No. House number 12 is reflected twice. 12th house is the house of loss. So if this person gets into any kind of stock market or any kind of speculation, invariably he will end up in losses eventually. See, he might make some gains whenever Bhukti or Antar Bhukti is giving him 2, 5, 11. But eventually in the overall Dasha period, he will end up losing all that money that he would have made in between during this Dasha. So this person, if he has inclination for speculation, before doing that, if he doesn't know, he has to consult a good astrologer, seek the guidance before investing money in stock market or any kind of speculation. So that's how astrology helps, my dear friends. It is like a guide. It will tell you, yes, you can go ahead and do it. It will tell you, be careful. If you do this, you might get into trouble. Okay, so when the clients come to me, I look at all of this, and we have to also look at certain things. I'll show you quickly. I have to go a little deep into understanding certain things. Let's say this person, right? So I showed you this, the first example. Then we go to sun, right? Sun dasha is going on. Then we have to go and check whether sun is tenanted or untenanted. So these are some of the technicalities. If the planet is tenanted, it will give the results during later part of dasha. If it is untenanted, it can give it immediately, so on and so forth. So likewise, we need to check that. We need to also check in which rashi that planet is sitting, who is the owner, who is the sign lord, star lord, sub lord, right, in what nakshatra it is in. So what I showed you is the first level of analysis, and after that we have to also do the second level of analysis to check it. So likewise, for everyone, we have to go and check if it is Saturn dasha, then we have to go here, and then we have to check certain things. Okay, so I hope you got the crux of the story. To summarize, if you want to get into any kind of speculation, whether it is stock market, casino, different types of games in casino, or horse racing betting, anything of that sort, first of all, I would discourage getting into any kind of speculation, because I told you that Rahu gets negatively affected when you get into speculation. Also, in general, when you get into speculation, you are depending on the outcomes which are not in your complete control. So that's another reason. Relatively, stock market is okay only if you are into long-term investments, because the market will be volatile in the short term. There can be a lot of ups and downs, but still, if you want to do it, and if your dasha is supporting it for the current period or the next few years, then you can still go ahead and do it. Consult a good astrologer. But if your dasha is not supporting, I would definitely discourage you to do any kind of investment or speculation. And the other forms of speculation, which are purely game of chance, please stay away from those. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and if you are still watching the video, then you really deserve a free bonus or free giveaways. Please continue to watch the video for few more minutes, and you can stand a chance to get free telephonic consultation with me, and also you can get a free personalized numerology report for yourself. Thank you. We have few free giveaways. You stand a chance to get 50 plus pages personalized numerology report for yourself or any other person, along with the birth chart. And most importantly, you will also get a chance to consult me. It's a free telephonic consultation on any of the coming Saturdays on first come first serve basis. So what you will have to do for this, you just have to send this message that I need free report and consultation to this number, and then we will ask you to complete certain very simple tasks, and once you complete it, you will have a 50 plus pages personalized numerology report for yourself, and you will also get a free consultation. Okay, so let me stop this video, and if you think that this video was of any help to you, please ensure that you like this video, you comment on this video, share this video with your loved ones so that they also can get benefited. And finally, don't forget to subscribe. As I said before, the more you like, comment, share and subscribe, the YouTube algorithm is going to take this video to more and more people, and more people will get benefited. Thanks a lot for watching once again. Until next time, be good, do good, stay safe. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu.